Alright, let's talk about dirt bikes, specifically the ones marketed to adults and big boys that often feel like they were engineered by a committee of children. You know the type: flimsy frames, engines that gasp for air, and a general air of impending structural failure. It's frustrating. You want something that can take a hit, not fold like a cheap lawn chair. And that, my friends, brings us to the X Pro 125 cubic centimeters Adult Gas Dirt Pitbike review. Worth it? 2025. This machine, for all its quirks, aims to be the antidote to that disposable trend. Pick this thing up, and the first impression isn't lightness, it's weight. It feels dense, grounded, like a small, stubborn mule. The frame, a twin spare heavy-duty steel beast, doesn't just look robust. It feels like it could survive a small meteor shower. There's no creak, no wobble, just a cold, hard sense of purpose. The welds are clean, the paint is thick. It's built like a tank, unlike my lower back. And when you look at those 17-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels, they don't just look big, they look like they mean business, planted and ready to chew up some dirt. This isn't a toy, it's an implement. Underneath all that sturdy metal, the X Pro packs a 125 cubic centimeter engine. It's not a monster, but it's a workhorse. It offers a manual 4-speed transmission, which is a pro's choice, frankly. No automatic fumbling here. You get full control, and that translates directly into confidence. That means less time fighting the bike, and more time actually riding. Which is the whole point, isn't it? The big wheels, as I mentioned, they don't just offer height, they give you ground clearance. That means less bottoming out over gnarly terrain, less time worrying about snapping off something vital. And frankly, it means this bike stays relevant for a good couple of years longer than its smaller wheeled counterparts. And for those late afternoon rides or early morning treks, the large headlight isn't just a nicety, it extends your riding window. Less packing up early, more time doing what you enjoy. This entire package? It's about reliability. It's about saving you time by not breaking down, by giving you the confidence to just ride. But let's be honest, nothing is perfect. And here's the catch. It requires assembly. Handlebar brackets, wheels, brakes, the number plate, fenders. You're going to be getting your hands dirty. The manual isn't exactly War and Peace. So if you're expecting this thing to roll off the truck ready to rip, adjust your expectations. This is not a plug-and-play affair. You'll spend a few hours, probably a little frustration, possibly even swear under your breath. And the reality is, that's a minor annoyance. Because once those bolts are tightened and everything is aligned, you realize that the upfront elbow grease is a small price to pay for what you get. A genuinely robust, capable machine that feels like it will outlast most of its competition. So if you're in the market for a disposable pit bike, something you'll kick to the curb after a season, look elsewhere. If you want a machine that feels like it was engineered to last, to be used, abused, and come back for more, then this X Pro, despite the assembly, is a serious contender. It's a tool, not a toy. I put the link below so you can check the current price.